What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, good morning and welcome back to yet another update on XRP, which I wanted to make today because a lot of news has been going around XRP, especially also in crypto, so I just wanted to cover some things, three things in particular. First of all, if you're new to this channel, welcome. Usually what I do in these videos is I go over some of the news around the crypto, some of the things you need to know, and also the price, all right? So that's what we'll be doing in this video too. In this particular case, I mean, maybe there's some new news because we've had quite a big drop for XRP right now. As you can see, I did expect a drop, but it does look like this is not going to happen anymore and that we're going to drop through. I'm not sure. I mean, there are three main news events right today. First of all, we had a speech of Putin further escalating the war in Ukraine with some partial mobilization, referenda, and some threats about nuclear weapons. That's the first thing that's going on. Very bearish for crypto. Apart from that, we're also this evening, which I will make a live stream on. All right, I will be live streaming this evening. So if you're interested in that, check that out. But this evening we'll have a Federal Reserve interest rate decision and a Federal Reserve press conference, probably even more important. And apart from that, XRP also has a summary judgment coming up from the judge that's judging their case of Ripple versus SEC, which I think is pretty bullish. I think all of these moves are also because of that, because some legal experts are actually saying that Ripple has the best chance to win. And I think you and I can also agree that if we look at the case like as nobodies, it does look like Ripple has the stronger case, right? The SEC cannot just say that if there's no contract that it's a security, I think, and they have said themselves that it's not a security in the past. I don't think they're going to win that, but the thing is, I mean, you just have to balance all those news events because like more unrest in the world is probably going to be stronger than winning an SEC case, even though it's going to probably cause a rally for XRP. So it's all of those things you have to juggle with. And in this video, I won't be able to say what all of those news events are going to do. I will be able to say that we're going to be very volatile. All right. As I said, if the case is concluded and XRP wins, we're probably going to get a 10, 20%, 30% gain. If the war in Ukraine further escalates, if Putin starts threatening with more and more often with nuclear weapons, we're probably going to see a 20, 30, 40% loss. The Federal Reserve this evening we can only guess about because we don't know what they're going to say. All right, we're probably over the last couple of months we've seen quite a big rise after the interest rate decision itself. So it's a lot of things we have to juggle with. I will always make updates about that, but for now, if I take a look at the short term, what I expect is it's kind of depending on this 40 cents level. If we do manage to, with this candle, which has probably closed when you watch this video, if we manage to close above 39.5 cents, we're probably going to stay above here. And then when the interest rate decision comes out, going to get some sort of a bullish move up to 43 cents. If, however, you watch this video and we close below 39.5 cents, we're probably going to drop down to 37 cents, consolidate here, and then depending on the outcome of the interest rate, either going to drop down to 34 or again up to 42, 43. So it really depends on the very short term. It depends on what we do with 39.5 cents, that 40 cents, 39.5 cents area. On a little bit of the longer term, it depends on what Jerome Powell is going to say at the Federal Reserve press conference. But as I said, I will make a live stream about that if you want to have some live thoughts and analysis on that. So hopefully I'll see you tonight. But for now, that's my take and some of the news around XRP. So if you do have any questions about the video or about the news, make sure to ask me down in the comments. But for now, I'd like to thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.